We have so many ways to debug a JavaScript application, but one of the most widely used debugging method is using Devtools in Chrome. To do that, just open your application in Chrome, then open Chrome Devtools by pressing F12 or right click on your page and click on inspect. There you can see different tabs here: elements, console, sources. So we need to go to the sources tab, and then you can open the file using Control T and search your file that you want to change or add breakpoint. There you can add your breakpoint. Just click on the line number, you will be able to add the breakpoint. Then if you hit refresh, your application will pause in the debugger and you can see the highlighted line, and from there you can debug your application. You can see that you can, if you just hover over the variables, you can see the value in it, or in this tab, scope tab, you can check the variables, you can check the closures or global variables, and you have this toolbar to step into the function call or go to the next function call or just resume the debugger. Sometimes when you're debugging your application in production, you may see that the file is minified and it is really difficult to read the file in that case. So what you can do is you can click on this pretty print button, and then Chrome will try to format the file and it will try to make it readable, and then add your breakpoint here and there and then debug. But instead of searching the file in Chrome DevTools and putting the breakpoint there, you can also directly in the file you can add the breakpoint using debugger keyword. This is my preferred way of adding debugger because you don't have to search the file in the Chrome debugger. And after adding the debugger, you can just refresh the page and you can see the debugger has paused the page, and then you can debug it. You can change the local variables. You have all the options. And then comes the beginner's favorite, console log. You can print anything in the console of the page. Or if you don't have access to the console also, then you can alert anything. So here I'm alerting the variable. Now if I refresh the page, you can see the alert is coming and the variable is printed. And if you want to see some advanced debugging from IDE also, you can debug. So for Visual Studio Code, there is one plugin called Debugger for Chrome. You can install it and then you can go to the debug tab. Here you have the configuration. You can add one configuration. I have already added it. So the configuration looks like this. This says launch Chrome and you have the URL here, and I will add one breakpoint here, and then if I launch Chrome here, you can see it is launching the Chrome and trying to open, and it is hitting the breakpoint here. And you have the option to check the variables, and you have all the options of going to the next line and step into, step out and resume. I hope you found something useful in this video. Let me know how you debug your application, and please like the video if you like it. Thank you.